Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel omega.vision. So last class we discussed about some basic concepts of Java, like what is the Java features of Java. But in this video we'll discuss some keywords of Java, like what is the identifier, reserve words, data type, literals. So after this session we will see how to write the program, Java program. So before starting the Java program, let's learn one by one. So first we will learn what is the identifier. So what is the identifier? Let's take an example. So how we can identify each person? You just tell me guys how we can identify. How we can call you? I can call you by your name. So every each and every person has their unique identification. I can call you by name. Just same thing in Java also. A name in Java program is considered as an identifier. Excuse me. What a name in Java program is considered as an identifier. So we can say it is a programmer given name. What? It is a programmer given name to identify the member of a class. It can be a class name, variable name, method name. So let's take an example. So I hope you guys remember last class we discussed about the syntax of Java. So class, what is test? This is the class name. Public static void main string argument. Here is a variable int x is equal to 5 that I have taken. So I hope you guys first you have to remember the syntax of Java. Then only you can understand this thing. So here class name. Test. Who is given this name? User, programmer. I write this name. Test. So what is this? This is a kind of what? Identifier. Same here, public static void main. What is the main? It is a method name. Same here, a string is also identifier. It is a programmer given name to identify the member of class. Identifier can be a class name, it can be a variable name, identifier can be a method name. So identifier can be anything, class name, variable name, method name. So let's take example. So before going ahead, I hope you guys remember the syntax of Java. So if you don't have remember, just do one thing. In last video, in last session, I discussed syntax of Java, how we can write the syntax, what is the class, what is public, what is static, void main. So all this thing we'll discuss in brief. So just go and check the last video. So here class name. So what is here class name? It is a name given by the programmer, given by the user. So it's also a class name. Here public static void main. What is the main? Main is a method name. String is also identifier. String is a predefined Java class name, and the argument is a name of array. And here integer x is equal to 5. So what is the x? X is equal to variable. X is variable name. So how many identifiers are there? One, two, three, four, and five identifiers are there. Which one? Class name, method name, again predefined class name, array name, and variable name. So now we'll see rules for identify a Java identifier. So how we can take a name, how we can give the name of class name, method name, or variable name. We'll see here. So Java identifier, it can contain capital letter A to Z, and also it contain small letter A to Z and number 0 to 9. And in special symbol only it will take dollar and underscore. So while defining identifier, we have to follow some rules. So what is the rule? Let's see. Identifier should not start with a number or a special character other than dollar and underscore. So let's take example. So you guys tell me Java 123. It's correct or not? See, special character A to Z. It started with J. So it's a correct. Now you tell me it's started with underscore. So this one is also correct. See here, identifier should not be start with a number or a special character other than dollar and underscore. So underscore is there. So that is correct only. So you guys tell me this one is correct or not. 123 Java. Can I provide this name as a class name, method name, or variable name? 123 Java. See here, identifier should not be start with a number. So, but this name is starting with a number 123. So it is incorrect. And now you tell me dollar Java. Correct. At the rate Java. Just tell me guys fast. At the rate Java. Correct. What? What? No. It's a incorrect. Why? In Java, we are using only two symbols as an identifier, which one? Dollar and underscore. But here, what is written? At the rate. So this is incorrect. And next thing, we cannot use reserve words and Java identifier. So now you ask me what is a reserve words. So don't worry. In next topic we'll discuss about the reserve words. So what is the reserve words? So here integer is a reserve word, so it's a incorrect only. This is character is also reserve words, it's also incorrect. This integer is not a reserve word, so it's a correct only. So we can use as an identifier. So here which of so you guys tell me which of the following Java identifiers are valid. So which one is valid? Tell me fast. Program at the rate 1. This is valid or not? Just think and tell me. What program at the rate 123? One thing you just tell me. We can which symbol we can use in Java identifier? Only two symbol we are using. Two special character. Which one? Dollar and underscore. What is there? It is a at the rate. So it's a wrong, incorrect. So you guys tell me fast. Program 123. It is correct identifier or not? Yes, it's a correct. Damini 123. It's correct identifier or not? It's a correct. This identifier, you guys tell me it's correct or not. Tell me fast. Yes, it's a correct. Who's telling it's correct? No, it's a incorrect. I will tell you why. In Java, how many special characters we are using? Only only two. Which one? Dollar and underscore. But what is there? At the rate. So it's a incorrect. You tell me this thing. Underscore dollar under is a correct identifier name or not? Just think and tell me. Yes, it's a correct. This thing int is correct or not? No, I will tell you this thing. It's not correct. Why? Because I reserve words. Program percentile 1 to 3 is correct or incorrect? Incorrect. I hope you understand very well what is the identifier, and also you like this video. So, if you like this video, just do like, share, and subscribe. For the latest update, just click on bell icon so that you will get the latest update. And next video, हम discuss करेंगे what is the reserve words and data type. So, for today, that's it, guys. We'll see you in next session. Yeah, thank you, guys.